So as told you, now we will go through operators. And so, what are operators? Just operator are symbol that represent mathematical or logical task. Nothing much about operators. Okay, just the mathematical task or the logical task. They represent these two things, mathematical or logical task. Okay, the example can be 700 plus is operator. Okay, and this plus is an operator, and this 77 and 700, these are the operands. Okay, that's all. After the type of operators, we are having three type of operators. One is arithmetic, one is comparison, and and the third one is logical. So arithmetic operations we are having uh, addition with the symbol of this. This is the example. Subtraction, multiplication, division, flow division, and this modulus and exponent. Okay, exponent is basically raised to the power. Modular is if you want to understand what is the remainder. Flow division is maybe if you want to ignore the decimal points. Then we have comparison operators. Comparison operators we are having less than, and the symbol is this, and less than and equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. Then we came up with logical operators. The task is and or not. Okay. So and means it will combine two situations. Okay. Maybe uh, so and works like it gives the output as true only if both comparisons are true. Okay, so see here, one is, and how to read it, this is one, and what is this is basically your less than. Okay, so one is less than two and two is less than three. So one is less than two, that is true, and two is less than three, that is true. So and is combining both this situation which is giving us true, and it gives true only if both comparison are true. See, this comparison is true and this comparison true, that's why it will give you true. Or works when either of the comparison is true, means one is smaller than two and two is greater than three. So one is smaller than two, this is like this is a true condition, and two is greater than three, that is false condition, but still it can give you true as an output because either of two conditions should be true. Okay, and not it will simply like it will work as a flip flop. Maybe i said I said you are not a male, then it will say true. I will say, so so this is the easiest example I can tell you. If you are a male and if I will tell you you are not a male, then it will say true. Okay, so these are the things. So basically, arithmetic operators we can simply see it like this. Maybe x equals to 7, which is a int, y int, z is 77.7, which is float, and this is a string high double z. So applying the arithmetic operators, that is addition, x plus z. So simple addition as you do, because this is not defined. Okay, let me run this cell first and then this cell, and now this will work. Okay, 84.7. This is the addition of these two. 80 x and z 77. So it will give this in subtraction. You know the main thing, multiplication. You know this is the sign for multiplication in Python. Okay, and then raised to the power. When we say 2 raised to the power 2, okay, when we say 2 raised to the power 2 in Python, we say x double star z, that is exponential. Okay, and if you want to divide something, maybe you want to divide x and z, and what were the value of x and z? Let's let me copy it for you to maybe make it more explainable. And now the thing is, we are dividing 7 with 77.7. So it is something which it is like what it is giving. It is giving a quotient. Okay, it is giving a quotient, not remainder. This is a quotient. Okay, this is a quotient. Okay, and this is giving us quotient, and this will give us quotient 2. This is flow division. This is division, and this is flow division. What flow division will do? Flow division will totally remove the maybe the next part. Ignore decimal. Okay, it to give the quotient. Both division and flow division gives quotient, but see, in flow division, this much this much decimal point has been removed. So this is the main difference between division and flow division. Both gives quotient, but division gives you maybe points, and flow division don't give you points after decimal. Modulo. So this is modulus, and modulus is basically the remainder. If you want to divide something and you want to get the maybe see the remainder, then you can use modulo. If you want to see the quotient, then you can use flow division without decimal if you want to see, and if you want to see with decimal, you can use division. Okay, this is all about arithmetic operators. And then comparison operators, we are having greater, smaller than, greater than. You all know, I guess everything is maybe clear. I told you this will give us boolean as an output. Boolean takes two values, true or false, 0 or 1, or 1 or 0, we can say true and false. And then this is comparison operator. Okay, and how to read it? What is this? How to read it? Okay, then simply go to this chart. This is way simpler. Less than or equals to. Okay, this is less than or equals to. Come back and interpret it. X is less than or equal to z, and it is saying true. Okay, why this is saying true? Let's go up here and copy all these things. Now understand. Now I will make you understand this. Okay, these are the values. Now if it is saying x is, again, what the symbol interprets. Okay, then again go to here, less than or equals to. This is the thing you have to do every time when you read it. Less than equals to. So it is saying x is less than or equals to 77 for 7. Maybe 7 is less than equals to 77 for 7, and it will say true because that is less than. Okay, and now I am saying 4 is less than equals to 4. So it is saying true. If I will say 4 is less than equals to 2, then it will say false. Okay, so this is the thing. So here if I'll say this, then 4 is equals to 4. Okay, 4 is equals to 4, that's why it is saying true. 4 is not smaller than, but it is equals to, that's why. So this is again this is what we are assigning. Okay, no, we are comparing, sorry. This is comparison operator, I told you before. Double equals to x comparison with j, that is false, because they are both are not same, because one is 7 and one is 77.7. Okay, and then again x is greater than z, then it is saying false. Again we can see x is 7 and z is something like 77.7. This is not, okay, this is not equals to, that is true. X not equals to z, read it like x not equals to z, and that is true. 7 is not equal to 77.7. Okay, then we come up with logical operator. Again in logical operator I told you and or not. And see, 108 compared to 108, and this is true. Again and 21 compared to 21, this is true. True and true gives always true. Okay, in and if both are true, then the output will be true. Only then the output will be true. If either of this condition or this condition will be false, and will give you false. Okay, this is the example of like what I was saying. These This is a false condition and this is a true condition. And if you are using and, it will give you false. It will never get it true. If you want like or, then we will come up to or. If either this condition or this condition will be true. Okay, so it will give you true. Anyway, it will give you true. Okay, see, this condition is false and this condition is true. But again, we are using or, so it will give us true as an output. So this is bit complex, and again, it is giving us true. You can read it by yourself. Okay. So after this, this is all for maybe what we can say, this operators. This is all for operators, and after this, we will use conditional statements. Okay, and that's all for this session.